In this video, malalaman mo kung paano mag-present ng business mo multiple times a day kahit busy ka sa ibang bagay. Matututunan mo rin how not to face rejections anymore. Madidiscover mo rin kung paano mong magagawa na prospects pa ang kusang maglilista ng names nila sa prospect list mo. Ipapakita ko rin sa iyo kung paano mag-follow up ng mga prospects automatically. Hi, my name is JP Veneracion and just like you, isa rin akong networker. That's why I know exactly how painful and frustrating it could be every time na negative ang mga prospects mo. Naalala ko dati kung gaano kahirap mag-invite. Yung tipong pahirapan bago mo sila madala sa office. Then, after the seminar, ang sagot lang na makukuha mo ay, pag-iisipan ko muna. So wala kang magagawa kundi mag-follow up na mag-follow up. Ito na ngayon ang mas malupit. Tinatawagan mo pero hindi na sumasagot. Tinetext mo pero hindi na nagre-reply. Inaabangan mo pero iniiwasan at tinataguan ka na. And worse, pinagtatawanan ka pa. Makaka-relate ka ba? Nararanasan mo rin ba sa negosyo mo ngayon ang mga naranasan ko? Isa ka rin bang networker na baliw? Yung tipong power dito, power doon? I also understand dahil isa rin akong baliw. And just like everyone else, wala din akong maayos na resulta kahit baliw na baliw ako sa malupit naming MLM company. Tulad din ng large majority, I'm also not making enough money. For almost 10 years, on and off ako sa industry. I've joined several MLM companies and always hoping na sana ito na. But what I didn't realize back then, I'm doing the same things over and over again. That's why my results are still the same, which is failure. Sinasabihan na ako ng mga friends and family members ko na itigil ko na daw ang kalokohang ito. Maghanap na lang daw ako ng matinong trabaho para siguradong may sweldo ako buwan-buwan. Pinagkakakitaan lang daw ako ng kumpanya at ng mga nauna sa akin. I'll be honest with you, muntik na akong makinig sa kanila. Simply because todo effort ang binibigay ko pero wala pa rin akong kinikita. Lahat na lang ng ginagawa ko para sa business ko ay palabas ang pera. Kung kumita man, sobrang liit. Pero hindi pa rin ako nag-quit. Hindi ako nakinig sa mga discouragements na sinasabi nila. Because I know and I truly believe na maganda talaga ang future sa networking or MLM industry. So I said to myself, enough is enough. I will prove them wrong. I will find the solutions and I will get the results I really want for my business. Tulad mo rin, naghanap din ako ng solution. Isang araw, habang nagsisearch ako sa internet, I discovered na meron palang tinatawag na attraction marketing and online marketing. With attraction marketing, hindi mo na daw kailangan maghabol ng mga friends and relatives mo. Ikaw pa daw ang magiging hunted instead of a hunter. And with online marketing naman, hindi mo na daw kailangan pang mag-prospect listing, mang-kidnap, mamigay ng flyers, mamusakal sa mataong lugar, mag-present ng mano-mano sa food court sa mga malls. Because by using the power of the internet, makakakuha ka na daw ng mga high quality and very positive prospects. Kaya hindi mo na kailangan gawin yung mga old, frustrating, and ineffective ways of marketing your MLM business. So when I discovered this new concept, modern approach, and effective ways of building a network marketing business, I invested a lot of time, effort, and money to learn everything. I realized kasi, kapag hindi ako mag-i-invest sa knowledge ko at kung hindi ako mag-a-acquire ng tunay na marketing skills, I will get the same results I'm getting over and over again, gaano man kaganda or kalupit ang MLM company na sinalihan ko. And I'm glad na nag-invest ako for my knowledge and skills because it's totally worth it. After 10 years of being a struggling networker, I finally cracked the code. After learning attraction and online marketing, I can now easily sponsor people into my business even without inviting and hardly convincing any of my friends. Facing rejections anymore. Yes, it's possible. Approaching total strangers at malls. Attending Baliwan meetings till the break of dawn. Giving away flyers at malls, MRT, LRT stations, U-Belt, and all those usual ways na pinapagawa nila uplines. So if you're now ready to take your business to the next level, huwag kang kukurap dahil baka ito na ang solusyon na hinahanap mo para magkaresulta ka na rin sa negosyo mo ngayon. So first thing you need to have is your own sales page. Sales page is a one-page website where you put all the information needed about your offer. is where you promote your greatest MLM business opportunity. Dito ka ngayon magbibilog-bilog, dito ka magpe-present using video and written presentations. Compared to a full-blown website na maraming tabs at pages, hindi nakakalitong i-navigate ang isang sales page dahil walang ibang choice but to scroll down. At dahil nakapublish ang sales page mo sa internet, you can make business presentations 24/7 anywhere in the world and all at the same time. Kahit sino, nasan man sila sa mundo, kahit anong oras, alam mo man o hindi, pwede kang mag-present sa mga bumibisita sa sales page mo. This is also the way how not to face rejections anymore dahil sales page mo na ang nagbebenta at nagpe-present para sa'yo. Kung nakita ni Pedro ang sales page mo at hindi niya nagustuhan ang offer mo kasi scam at pyramiding daw, he will simply close and leave your sales page. Ang tanong ngayon, apektado ka ba nung na-reject ka ni Pedro? Alam mo ba na rejected ka pala kay Pedro? Hindi, di ba? So therefore, hindi mo na ngayon hinaharap ang mga rejections ng mga negative na tao. Dahil sales page mo na ang nagbebenta para sa'yo. At ito pa ngayon ang mas maganda. Kapag naging interesado sa offer mo yung mga prospects na bumisita sa sales page mo, ano ang gagawin nila? They will reach out to you, they will contact you. Sila na ngayon ang lumalapit sa'yo para sabihin na interesado silang mag-join o ready na silang mag-join sa'yo. With this marketing strategy, masasala mo na ang mga negative at mga positive prospects mo. Negative prospects will simply close and leave your site, while positive prospects will reach out to you and will inform you that they want to be part of your team. Very powerful! Now, I have a very important tip for you. Kahit gaano kaganda at kahit gaano ka-convincing ang sales page mo, kung wala namang nakakakita or bumibisita, it doesn't exist. It means sarili mo lang din ang binibentahan at kino-convince mong mag-join. So your goal is to drive lots of traffic or visitors to your sales page. You need to promote your sales page to your target market. But before sending them to your sales page, send them first to your capture page. Capture page is a one-page website also with one goal only, and that is to get the information of your visitors even before they see your sales page. With this strategy, hindi pa nila nakikita ang offer mo, alam mo na kung sino-sino sila. So once again, isa lang dapat ang goal ng capture page mo. Yun ay makuha or makapture muna ang information ng mga magiging visitors or prospects ng sales page mo. At para magawa mo yun sa capture page mo, you need to offer something for free at gusto talagang makuha ng target market mo. Offer something valuable in exchange of your visitor's first name and email address. Yan lang dapat ang ginagawa ng capture page mo at wala nang iba. Huwag ka munang magpe-present or magbebenta agad sa capture page mo. Having a capture page is also the way to build your list. Ito yung way para prospects na ang kusang maglilista ng names nila sa list mo. Ito yung prospect list ko ngayon. Pero sila ang kusang naglagay ng names nila dito sa list ko. Sila ang mga fina-follow up ko automatically using a software called Autoresponder. Dahil linagay nila ang name at email nila sa capture page ko, Autoresponder ko na ang bahalang magpadala ng mga follow-up email messages ko para sa akin automatically. Ang kailangan ko lang gawin sa una ay i-set up ang Autoresponder account ko, ilagay ang mga follow-up email messages ko, at Autoresponder account ko na ang bahalang mag-follow up ng mga prospects ko automatically. Siguro tinatanong mo ngayon kung bakit pa kailangan kunin ang information ng visitors mo. Pwede namang papuntahin sila agad sa offer mo, di ba? Ganito kasi yan. Majority of the time, hindi agad sila magde-decide na bumili or mag-join sa unang bisita pa lang nila sa sales page mo. Pero dahil nakuha mo na ang name at email address nila even before nila makita ang presentation mo, your autoresponder will take over by sending them your follow-up email messages that will remind them to go back to your sales page. This is very important because the fortune is in the follow-up. So ito ngayon yung marketing funnel na diniscuss ko sa'yo. Step 1, marketing campaigns. Diyan yung magpo-post ka sa wall mo, maglalagay ka ng Facebook ads, sa Sulit, YouTube, and all those ads. On your marketing campaigns, tell them to visit your website, and that is your capture page link. So papunta sa step 2, your capture page start taking action by capturing your visitors' information. And then after nila maglagay ng name at email address, mariredirect na sila sa step 3, which is your sales page. Your sales page takes over to present your opportunity and convince them to join you. Then tulad ng sabi ko kanina, majority of the time, hindi agad-agad yan magde-decide. So, kailangan mong i-follow up because the fortune is in the follow-up. So, you don't have to worry dahil autoresponder mo ngayon ang bahalang umaksyon. Ipapadala niya yung mga email messages mo, yung mga follow-ups mo para ma-remind yung prospects mo na bumalik sa sales page mo. Kapag bumabalik sila sa sales page, anong ginagawa ng sales page? Kino-convince sila na bumili or mag-join. So, lagi silang nare-remind, punta sila ng punta, balik sila ng balik sa sales page mo hanggang sa mag-decide na sila. Very powerful. So, if you're asking where to create your sales page, I recommend Blogger.com, especially with newbies. Blogger is owned by Google and probably one of the easiest platforms to use. It's completely free and you do not need to buy a hosting account to use it. Where to create your capture pages? You may also create your capture pages with Blogger. What autoresponder to use? Maraming pwedeng pagpilian. Pwedeng Aweber, Traffic Wave, GetResponse, iContact, Constant Contact, at marami pang iba. But I recommend Listwire because it's totally free. Simply register for your autoresponder account at listwire.com. Again, ito yung structure, ito yung marketing funnel. Sa step 1, nandyan yung marketing campaigns mo, nandyan yung ads mo. Then, papunta sila sa capture page mo. Yung capture page mo, kukunin ang name at email address nila. Then, papunta sa step 3, yung sales page mo. Diyan ka ngayon magpe-present, diyan ka magbibilog-bilog, diyan mo ipopromote kung gaano kaganda yung opportunity mo. Once na mag-leave sila sa sales page mo, it's okay, autoresponder will take over. Siya ngayon magpapadala ng mga follow-up email messages mo para ma-remind sila to go back to your sales page over and over again. Why? Because the fortune is in the follow-up. Napaka-powerful, di ba? Now, if you're like me before, na ang alam lang ay mag-login sa email account, mag-post sa Facebook, at manood ng video sa YouTube, if you're like me before na walang kaalam-alam sa paggawa ng mga website, capture page, sales page, blogs, if you're like me before na walang kahit anong idea kung paano gamitin ang autoresponder, kung paano ilagay sa capture page, kung paano maglagay ng mga follow-up messages, and if you're like me before na naghahanap ng solusyon at willing gumawa ng aksyon, then you need to avail my recorded coaching program so you can finally learn how to successfully build your MLM business using the power of the internet. My recorded coaching program consists of webinar training sessions where you will get the recorded copies of all of my live in-depth coaching program with my coaching student that will start on March 31, 2014. Kaya kung hindi ka nakaabot sa enrollment ng aking live in-depth coaching program, ito na ang chance mo para matutunan ang lahat ng mga tinuturo ko about attraction marketing. Here's your chance to learn all of my teachings so you too can finally learn new and effective ways of marketing your business. So let me show you kung ano-ano mga matututunan mo sa recorded coaching program ko. Sa first webinar training session, you will learn step-by-step process on how to create your own professional-looking sales page from scratch. Parang ganito, sa Blogger din yan ginawa. So matututunan mo kung paano gumawa ng sales page sa Blogger. Matututunan mo rin step-by-step process on how to set up a high-converting capture page from scratch. Parang ganito, sa Blogger ko rin yan ginawa, matututunan mo kung paano mo rin yan magagawa. You will also learn all the marketing psychology behind a successful capture page and sales page. Lahat yan matututunan mo sa first webinar training session. Now, sa second webinar training session, you will learn how to set up your autoresponder account, how to insert your follow-up messages, how to do broadcast messaging, how to create your opt-in forms. In short, you will learn all you need to know about autoresponder. Just like this, ito yung loob ng Listwire Autoresponder. Lahat ng pasikot-sikot dyan, matututunan mo sa second webinar training session. Sa third webinar training session naman, you will learn step-by-step process on how to create your own blog or website from scratch. How to turn your amateur-looking website to a professional-looking website. How to turn a free website to a paid-looking website. Lahat yan matututunan mo. Just like this, From amateur looking website to a professional looking paid website. Pero actually, free pa rin yan. Mukha lang siyang paid, mukha siyang professional, but still free lang siya. Matututunan mo kung paano yan. Parang ganito, at parang ganito, at parang mga ganito. Matututunan nyo kung paano yan. Sa 4th webinar training session, you will learn effective Facebook marketing. How to make your post stand out from the crowd of networkers or competitors. How to target your market in Facebook. You will learn also do's and don'ts when using Facebook for your business. So parang ganito, how to stand out from the crowd and paano maging effective pagdating sa paggamit ng Facebook. Matututunan nyo yan sa 4th webinar training session. Sa 5th webinar training session, you will learn YouTube marketing. Very powerful to guys. How to make your video stand out from the crowd, video competitors. How to optimize your video marketing campaign to rank high in YouTube. How to convert your YouTube traffic into quality leads or prospects. So just like this, yung first 4 videos na yan, videos ko yan sa results ng YouTube. So pag magagawa nyo rin yan, dadami ang prospects nyo, dadami ang mag-generate yung positive prospects for your business. Very powerful guys. All my magic will be revealed to you so you can finally get the results you really want for your business. So let me summarize the value of all the knowledge that you will learn from my recorded webinar training sessions. First webinar training session, how to create your own sales page and capture page. Ang worth niyan, ang value niyan is 13,300 pesos. How to set up and manage your autoresponder account. Ang value niyan is 3,100 pesos. How to create your own blog and website. Ang value niyan is 15,000 pesos. 4th webinar, effective Facebook marketing strategies. Ang value niyan is 9,000 pesos. 5th, powerful YouTube marketing strategies. Ang value niyan is 3,800 pesos. Ang total value ng makukuha mo sa aking recorded webinar training session or recorded coaching program is actually 43,900 pesos. When you avail my recorded coaching program, it will not cost you 43,900 pesos. It will also not cost you 21,950 pesos, yung 50% off. It will not even cost you 13,170 pesos, 70% off na yan. But before I reveal to you the investment for my recorded coaching program, gusto ko munang malaman mo na ang enrollment fee para sa live in-depth coaching program ko ay 9,990. May mga nag-enroll na ba sa coaching program ko before? Nakapag-produce na rin ba ng mga leaders ang coaching program ko? So let me show you. Ito si Mr. Edward Reformina, ito ang idol nating lahat. Ito ang message niya sa akin before. Hi JP, nakita ko ang YouTube video mo. I'm very interested on learning how to do MLM attraction marketing. I'm new in MLM pero nakita ko agad na hindi talaga effective yung mga lumang strategies ngayon. I'm from QC. So basically sabi niya, do you offer one-on-one mentoring? So basically, nag-enroll siya sa coaching program ko. Then, ito naman si Mr. Brian Pinera. Ito ang sabi niya, totoo. Ang totoo niyan, coach, na-save niyo ako sa malaking gastos kasi bukas nakaschedule na ako para gawin yan. Nag-hire na ako ng mga professional para gumawa niyan. Pero na-realize ko na kung hindi ako matututo ng manual at tama, baka ikalugi ko na naman. Kaya kinancel ko ang appointment ko sa kanila at maging student muna ulit ako at mag-invest muna sa sarili ko bago makapag-invest ang iba sa akin. Ito naman si Mike, sabi niya, JP is one of the best coach and mentor here in the Philippines. I highly recommend each and everyone to enroll to his powerful coaching program. New learnings to discover even if you are a newbie in your business. You can easily apply those skills, knowledge, and strategies that you are going to learn in this coaching program from JP. Let's all be successful in our business. Cheers! So yan ang sabi ni Mike. Ito si Jermaine na nasa kaliwa. Ito naman si Edmond Bugay na nasa kanan. At marami pang iba. So if you are finally tired of too much rejections and tired of chasing your friends and family members, avail my recorded coaching program for only $4,990 and you will learn exactly how to successfully build your MLM business using the power of the internet. You will finally learn new and effective marketing strategies to successfully build your MLM business. All my techniques and strategies will be revealed to you so that you can now be the hunted instead of a hunter. But wait, there's more! When you avail my recorded coaching program now, you will get valuable bonuses worth 3,260 pesos. Bonus number 1, recorded webinar session. You will learn how to use my recently discovered software that will help you generate high quality targeted prospects for your offer. This is a truly powerful software, guys, kaya ang value nito is 1,700 pesos. Bonus number 2, video tutorial, how to use Photoshop. Very important na matutunan mo ito sa mundo ng online marketing. Ang value nito is 1,100 pesos. Ito naman ang mga very useful graphics na makukuha mo as my bonus number 3 for you. Sales page template, ebook cover templates, visual headline templates, layer style, call to action buttons, back shadows, visual effects, icon maker, PowerPoint backgrounds, at sobrang dami pa na makakatulong sa iyo sa pag-promote mo ng business mo using the power of the internet. So, you will get all of these marketing graphics as your bonus worth 460 pesos. So let me summarize this time the total value of all the knowledge and materials that you will get from my recorded in-depth training sessions. Bonus number 1, webinar session about the powerful software to generate targeted prospects, 1,700 ang value niyan. Bonus number 2, video tutorial, how to use Photoshop for your business. Ang value niyan is 1,100 pesos. Bonus number 3, useful marketing graphics for your business. Ang value niyan is 460 pesos. So ang total value na makukuha mo ng lahat-lahat ng aking recorded coaching program, including the bonuses, is actually 47,460 pesos na. You can avail my recorded coaching program for only 4,990. Pero ang kapalit ng total value ngayon na makukuha mo is 47,460 pesos. So go ahead, click the buy now button and start building your successful MLM business. Cash and credit card payments are accepted. Always remember, these solutions are useless if you don't take action now. Tanongin mo sarili mo, happy ka na ba sa results mo sa negosyo mo ngayon? Kung hindi ka happy sa results mo, at kung hindi ka nag-i-enjoy sa mga marketing strategies na ginagawa mo para sa MLM business mo, then you need to avail my recorded coaching program in order for you to learn new and effective ways of building your MLM business nowadays. And most importantly, you need to learn these new and effective marketing strategies so you can finally enjoy building a successful MLM business. Take action now. Because anytime soon, this video will be taken down and your chance to learn something valuable that can help you be a successful business owner might be gone forever. So go ahead, click the buy now button and start building your successful MLM business.